This week we are going to begin our typing lessons. So to get to the website, you go to ps221q.org and you click on grade level resources, you click on first grade, and then we're going to click on our Dance Mat Typing right over here, Dance Mat Typing. We're going to click on that. Okay, now we're going to move down to here, and we're going to click where it says Play Level 1 because we're going to do Stage 1, and we'll click Play Level 1. Now before we begin this, I want to talk about the keyboard here. This week we're going to be working on the home row, which is the first row over here. And the home row is the center row over here. And when we do the center row, it's very important because that's where we place our fingers on the keyboard when we start typing. So the first thing we do is we're going to put our left pointy finger on the F, left pointy finger on the F, and our right pointy finger on the J. So the most important keys on the keyboard are the F and the J because that's where we start our typing with. And if you notice on your keyboard, there'll be a little bump on the F and the J to help you remember where to put your finger. So the pointy finger on the left side goes on the F, pointy finger on the right side goes on the J, and then you have the left pinky on the A, and you see the colors match up. So we have red and red, and then on this side, the right pinky onto the semicolon. Semicolon is like a period and a comma together. And then you have the middle finger on the D on this side, on the left side, and middle finger on the K on the right side, and then the ring finger on the S on the left hand, and the ring finger on the right side on the L. So first thing we do when we start typing, we put our pointy finger on the left side on the F, right pointy finger on the J, left pinky on the A, right pinky on the semicolon, and our thumbs go on the space bar. The space bar is the big rectangle over here. So thumbs on the space bar, pinkies on the A and the semicolon, and then the pointy fingers go on the F and the J. So that's how we get our typing position. And when on here, you click on number 1, home row. And then here you click space or enter. And this game will load up.
Hi there, Rock'em.
And then you can do the typing activity. So this is what I'd like the students to do this week, is to work on typing, and we're going to work on the home row, and we can work on the F and the J with our pointy fingers, and then our pinkies on the A and the semicolon, and our thumbs are going to be on the space bar. Now I would like you to do this level at least once. You can do it more than once if you want added practice. So now we're focusing on our typing, and the most important thing when you're typing is to get the correct fingering down. If you have to look at the keys once in a while, it's okay, but please use the correct fingers. You want to be using the fingering just like they do on this image over here. Okay, pointy fingers on the F and the J, thumbs on the spacebar, and the pinkies on the A and the semicolon.